Hi, good morning. This is Gina Fifi, and today I'm taking care of a little 2-year-old named Piper and her two beautiful dogs, and they are so funny to watch. I'm going to show you what they do when they're on land and what they do when they're in water. Okay, Murphy, let's go. That's a boy. You're here, that's a boy. Oliver, where are you? Oliver! Oliver, where'd you go? Now see, Oliver won't pay any attention to it when it's on land. Oliver, what you doing? Good boy, Murphy. Oliver! Watch. Now watch this. They will actually go in and dive. Go ahead, Murphy. Go on, Oliver. Oh, Murphy says, oh my goodness, it went too far. He says, no, it's there somewhere. Here he goes. Here he goes. Come on, Murphy, go get it. Now, Oliver will not bother with the ball when it's on land, but once it hits water, he goes crazy. You guys are so funny. You are just too funny. That's the adventures of our funny little dogs. And talk to you later.